Engine code P0343, camshaft position sensor A, circuit high bank 1 or single sensor. So this is on a Volkswagen Passat, and pretty much car would shut off when idling or driving. It would just suddenly shut off, and engine light came on, EPC light came on. So I'm going to be replacing the camshaft sensor. So first you have to remove the engine cover. I'm sure you can handle that. And on this engine, this is a 5-cylinder, 2.5 liter, naturally aspirated. You can see it's on the left side of the engine, on top of that engine cover. This is where the sensor located. So I purchased a brand new one, should be about 20 bucks. And here's how to remove it so you don't break that tab. So there's a little lock. Take a little flathead screwdriver and pretty much follow this. You just slide it in, a little bit lift it, and then while you are holding it, just slide it out. Okay, so you have to be super careful on that one. To remove that sensor, you will need T30 star bit. The reason why I'm doing it with the impact, because I needed a little bit of a torque to loosen it up, because it was pretty tight to remove it with my hands. So that's why I used the drill. So once you remove it, once I did remove mine, the reason why looks like I had this issue, it is very strange. If you're a mechanic or if you're somebody who has done this before, you can comment below. But it did look very strange, because I have done it in my previous cars where I have replaced the sensor, but I have never seen it dirty like this. And it kind of seemed like I don't know, like, are there metal partials that got collected up there, or what is it? Because this is a sensor, it shouldn't be dirty like this. So I'm gonna replace it anyway. I could have easily cleaned it up and put it back in and test it out, but I'm gonna keep it and test it out later. But I'm just wiping it off inside with the paper towel, and then I'm going to put the brand new sensor that I purchased after cleaning it. Again, I'm using my drill just because I need a little bit of a torque to tighten it. I don't have anything else, so. And then when you connect this connector in there, make sure it just locks in, okay? That tap right there. So once you put it in, it will just click. If you hear that sound, you can do a little bit of a pull test to see it's not gonna come off. So after that, you have to put back the cover. And I'll definitely test this thing out to see what's wrong with this current one, because yeah, on my car, this is a 160 something miles. I was having a little bit of a hesitation in general when I was driving, but then all of a sudden it had this issue. So now, after replacing the sensor, I thought maybe there's some sort of a relearning procedure, but I could not find it. So what I'm doing is I'm clearing all the codes that came on this one. So I'm erasing it before I start the car. So after erasing the codes, I'm gonna idle the car. So I did idle about 10-15 minutes, because by that time it would shut off if that problem persisted. So I haven't driven it much, but I will update it in the comment section after this procedure. I will update it in maybe 1,000 miles, 2,000 miles, how things are going with this car. But that's the process of replacing camshaft in Volkswagen. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Hope it was helpful.